It's a little quick video on room 12389 on the new Jubilee, Carnival Jubilee. This is walking in through the front door. Yes, we've been here a few days, but we had the room cleaned up a little bit, so I thought I'd do a little video. If I don't sleep with down comforters very well, so we had the room steward give us just regular blankets. There are bunk beds above us, so you need to be careful when you get in and out of your bed. We brought our own little fans that hang with magnets. Great idea. It was kind of hot the first night, but it has cooled down, so we haven't really needed them after that night. A lot of people ask about the plugs. Quite a few. You have 2 USB stations and then 3 regular plugs right there. And then also over there, there is a USB for each side. So Carnival finally got with it and added more plugs. Nice little storage area there. Little fridge. It actually does keep things cold. Nice TV. Coming back through this way is the bathroom. A little tight. There's all our stuff. Nice shower. The showers are a little bigger now in the ship. And then of course you have great storage here as well. Nice storage there, mirror, and then there is also nice shelving, and then that down there, that bottom drawer comes all the way out. This is mine, a little less organized, but anyway, just want to do a little quick video of room 12389 for Carnival Jubilee. It's a little more narrow than they used to be, but there are little shelves over here by the bed as well. Magnet clips for the fans are awesome. Amazon fans. I already did a video on that. All right, hope you enjoy. Come cruise. Later.